Alright. This is the G2 Pro. The scooter which I've been riding for the past 2 years. And I'm getting pretty tired of it. So we have a replacement. Damn. A G2 Master. But it has one small issue. The issue is not really that small. The motor is cracked. I'm waiting for a replacement motor cracked. So today I'm gonna do the deck. I'm gonna make it like this because that's cool. These screws, don't even ask about it. I'm gonna replace them anyway. Typical Balkan hack job. Alright, the box of stuff. I have everything under the sun in here. What do you say? Yes, I do. Look, what do I not have here? Random relays, hydraulic brakes, grips.
You don't have a small battery.
No, I don't. So there's random screw, brake calipers. I have everything there is in here. Alright, let's do the deck. Battery. And we're gonna need glue and the sandpaper. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use these two because they're better. This one's scratched. Oh, there are 4. Gang, why do you have 4 of them? Let's do this. RIP G2 Master deck. This is painful and not painful at the same time because it's gonna look way better. Oh man, I'm gonna have a wonderful time taking all this glue off. Oh, I'm gonna be here all day. Man, it's not coming off. It's just the rubber. Now let me start from the front. No, it's not better. No, man. This is gonna take a while. Huh?
Look, come look. I got a lot of water in my scooter. Here, here, and here.
Oh,
Fine. But
oh,
should we take it?
man.
Should we take Should we?
Take it out. Just flip the screw. Oh my.
That's
Oh man, that scooter is cooked. Just a bit? Bro, you have a lake in there.
help me.
Okay, the deck is off. I mean the rubber. Oh my days. Now just lift it from here. Oh. Oh my day. Look at this. Oh man. This is gonna be fun. There.
A kurpa.
Kurpa. Hell yeah.
Not a towel, a kurpa.
Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. No, it's not this one. I don't think you have a speed limiter.
I think I do.
No, you don't. No.
Not that one.
This was your VESC attempt.
Didn't you have a hard limit on your G2 Pro?
Yes, I do. Look.
Can we put it on mine?
No.
Can we put it on mine?
This was the
Yes,
limiter.
but can you put this on mine?
No,
Why?
because it's not the same PCB, not the same controller.
Okay, then let's put that controller on mine.
Oh man.
I want to sell it already. No.
Man, it won't work.
It's going to work. It's just a controller with a few less amps.
No man, so much work.
It's not that much work. You have to solder some things on.
Bro, we have to route new wires for the display and for the everything. We have to route new wires. Bro, we're gonna be here all day if we do that. Bro.
And
Oh, hold on, let me finish the deck and
you're never gonna finish that.
just take the stuff and mount it yourself. Install it yourself. You don't have to solder. You just have to tape wires together. Why do you care? You're gonna get rid of it anyway. It's gonna be the new owner's problem, not yours. Hold on. Do something.
Without changing the controller.
We might be able to do it.
What?
Take this, and open this controller and open your controller too.
From here?
No, from here. And you also have to unscrew this
I know.
and slide it out. Now this is a bunch of bullshit. I love doing this. Huh, what if I use something like a blade?
Use a cutter.
Can I do this?
No. Use a flathead screwdriver, bro.
No.
Why?
This works. Hold on. Let me just hold the deck down so I can work on it. Good.
Cute controller.
Yes.
So so big.
It's a 20 amp controller, what do you expect?
Mine is 28, only 8 amps. Do I also unplug my controller from the battery now?
Yes, unplug it. Because if you don't unplug it, you're gonna blow it up.
I know.
Maybe. Oh boy. Have you opened your shit?
I opened yours, now I'm unscrewing mine.
Oh man. It's taking long.
Trust me. Oh, it's 07, it's not 6-7.
It's not 6-7.
I thought it said 6-7, but I
No, it don't say 6-7. You brain rot kid.
I can't find that middle screw on my controller. I think it's not anywhere.
No, let me teach you a trick. You also open this. Oh.
Yeah, I'm not.
Because the M5 Pro controller is goofy. Take it off. And you have
You
this.
push from there. Yes.
These are the screws.
I forgot about those.
It's been about an hour and it's finally done. It's not the prettiest though, but it will work. What do you want, gang? Bro, I should go like this. Like, why would I put anything else on top of it? It's time for the glue.
The snow is half empty.
It's half empty. The glue. I need something to spread this. I have this piece of aluminum. I guess it's fine. Yeah, I don't think I have enough glue.
And also, you don't need the whole sandpaper to be covered in glue, because it's gonna stay. Just the edges and the middle. But
Look.
bro finally realized how to do it. Kada ja nusta raknut, pa se not.
Bro,
Wow. Insane.
da, ce gufi arată. Nu.
Skillish. E sandpaper totuși.
Da, ți arată trasul.
Just wanted to go for 25. It's fucking 50.
Bro, 50 is quite
50
good.
is city speed.
Bro, there are people with G2s going 45.
Still going faster than 25, so
Not faster than you.
I know.
People need to shut up. The G2 is not that cool. Stop saying the G2 goes 60. It does not. It goes 45, 50 at most.
70?
G2 doesn't go 70, bro. Oh hell nah. G2 Master maybe.
Poate că just.
I mean the G2 Master goes 70.
Mai ales cu tine.
But the G2 don't. Only if you modify it. And I'm not talking about painting it.
No, but I'm saying 64.
These kids need to stop saying their G2 is modified, bro. You just painted it with a marker. Modified means switching the controller and the battery. Alright, let's see. Damn. It's done. And it's got grip. Cool looking scoot.